Hello, everyone. Today we'll talk about the analytics powerhouse for our modern data pipelines. So, did you know that you can analyze gigabytes of data at lightning speed on a single machine? DuckDB is revolutionizing analytics by processing data up to 100 faster than traditional tools. And I am excited to show you how to DuckDB is transforming the way we analyzing data and how you can build a powerful analytics pipeline around it. Okay, so we go step by step covering what is DuckDB and why it's a game changer for data analytics, our work in financial data pipeline architecture, how DuckDB integrates with Postgres, MinIO, and Apache Iceberg, and a live demo of our actual code and execution flow. And last, the future possibilities with DuckDB power capabilities. Okay, so first of all, DuckDB is a high-performance analytical database that run in the process providing columnar storage, vectorized execution, and powerful SQL capabilities directly with an application, no service required. So DuckDB solves a critical pain points in the modern data analysis. Ultra-fast in processing of a complex analytics queries, seamless integration with Python, Java, and C++, SQL queries executed directly on files without loading data, efficient memory usage even with multi-gigabytes data sets. Let's see our actual working pipeline in action. We have a demo code for working a financial data pipeline. Okay. Setting up the infrastructure with Docker. Let's put the container up. This command start infrastructure components, Postgres FQL for structure storage, MinIO for a packet file storage, and Iceberg REST server for metadata management. So we have a Postgres here, MinIO client, and Iceberg REST, and our application Python, and database here. Okay, let's cover the fetch data file. Okay. Here we implemented a robust retry mechanism for a connection to PostgreSQL to ensure our pipeline is resilient to temporary networking services issues. So, okay, here we are featuring 5 years of S&P 500 data from Federal Reserve Economic Data Fred API using a pandas data header here. And after processing, we save the data in a Parquet format locally and upload it to MinIO storage. So the Parquet format is crucial because it enables the DB to process data efficiently. Okay, this is the fetch data.py. Now let's cover the process data file. Okay. Power of the DuckDB is here on the process script because First we check the parquet file from the previous step exists. Okay, here this is an important step. So at the next, we then set up an Apache Iceberg catalog to management table metadata. This is what allows us to track the data versions and schema evolution. Okay. Now, this is where DuckDB is truly shines with just a few lines of code we here. Loading the Iceberg extension to support our data lake format, reading the data directly from the Parquet file without loading it entirely into memory, performing aggregations with optimizing columnar processing, using a familiar SQL syntax for complex analytical operations, and get up results in such a speed that the traditional tools can match. So the carry it is simple but powerful with calculators and average closing prices and a total volume for each ticket and data combination. Okay, so it's simple but it is really powerful. Finally, we take the aggregated data from DuckDB and insert into Postgres SQL, which will be used in a metabase for visualization. Let's do all the complete data flow again. Fetch data.py collects and S&P 500 data from API for pandas data reader here. After that, process data uses DuckDB to read and aggregation the Parquet data. The aggregated results are stored back in the Postgres SQL, and Metabase connects to Postgres SQL to visualize results. These architectures give us the best of both worlds, the reliability of the Postgres for operational data and the analytical power of DuckDB for processing. Okay, let's run the fetch data now in a new terminal. No, pandas data reader. Okay, I think I put this all in container. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is not run locally because I am running inside a container here. Okay, perfect. Let's see it. Okay, let's see our database name here. Password. Here. Name. Here, I think it's local host database name. Stop user. Let me check this. Okay. Okay, let's try, but perfect. It's not a Metabase database, it's Postgres. Okay. Is here your process and the storage and the aggregated data. So let's check the process storage again. So here, the process data.py, we made a carry to uh, aggregated data from data Postgres and put it, uh, refine it in the Postgres again using DuckDB to process it much more faster. So I think is this um, okay. Um, our demo shows just a fraction of what the DuckDB can do. We are some additional capabilities that make DuckDB special for data analytics. DuckDB supported advanced SQL features like window functions, making it perfect for time series analysis, such as a moving average, which are common in financial data analysis. So Another point, one of DuckDB's unique strength is its ability to carry across different formats in a single operation. So this eliminates the need for a complex ETL process. Okay, we have seen how DuckDB revolutionizes data analysis through our work in financial data pipeline. It's an in-process analytical database provides incredible performance with a minimal setup, making it possible to perform complex analysis without expensive infrastructure. We development initiative products for startup and industrial leaders. We offer software development, data engineering, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science, and nearshore solutions to drive your company results with a cutting-edge technology. Want to keep conversation going? Get in touch with BIX Tech. We are ahead to help you to deal with big data challenges. For more insights, click on the suggested video and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you next time.